Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make zucchini bread. First, gather your ingredients like flour, sugar, eggs, and of course, fresh zucchini. Make sure to grate your zucchini finely for the best texture. Don't forget to prepare your loaf pan by greasing and flouring it or lining it with parchment paper to prevent sticking. This simple preparation ensures a smooth baking process and an easy release. Next, combine your dry ingredients such as flour, baking soda, and spices in one bowl, ensuring they are well mixed. In a separate bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients like eggs, oil, sugar, and vanilla extract until smooth. Finally, add the grated zucchini to the wet mixture, then gently fold the wet ingredients into the dry until just combined. Avoid overmixing for a tender loaf. Now it's time to bake your zucchini bread. Pour the batter into your prepared loaf pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 60 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Once baked, let the bread cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Patience here ensures a perfect slice. There are many ways to customize your zucchini bread. Feel free to add 1/2 cup of chopped nuts, like walnuts or chocolate chips to the batter for extra flavor and texture. A simple cream cheese frosting can also elevate this delicious treat, making it perfect for dessert. Enjoy your homemade zucchini bread as a snack or breakfast item. And for those looking to deepen their financial knowledge, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.